In this video, I want to take you through probably one of the most hated jobs of car cleaning, which is glass cleaning, because getting streak-free glass for a lot of people is difficult, and it's really, really frustrating when you can't get it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get streak-free glass every single time with tips, tricks, and the way to do it correctly. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a high quality glass cleaner. And for that, we have the Sonax clear glass, okay? The next thing that mistake people make is they maybe spray one squirt onto the window, take a glass cloth, and then they go around the window and they end up with streaks. That's because there's simply not enough glass cleaner there to pick up the dirt from the glass, and then the cloth will just smear it around. So we have a solution, which is my favorite, which is the insect sponge. So we take the Sonax bug sponge, which is here, which I really like because the microfiber webbing helps to deep clean the glass. So what you want to do is, as I just did, spray a few sprays on there. Once you've saturated the bug sponge, that's going to be enough to do, multiple glass. You just put another spray on to do another bit or whatever, okay? But you'll see now, when I start scrubbing the glass, you get that lovely foaming effect, because now I have plenty of glass cleaner to do the job. Okay, and I can use the bug sponge to really agitate the glass, giving that deep clean effect. And also, obviously the sponge is quite absorbent, so therefore any dirt and everything is going to absorb into the sponge, meaning that the glass will be a bit cleaner when I come for the final wipe. The next step is obviously wiping off, and for that I'm going to use the Sonax glass cloth. Now these cloths are sewn in a special way. So you may have seen glass cloths similar before, but the rear side has this pattern, and the front side with the logo on, it's sewn so you have these lines, okay? Now these lines are specifically sewn in to act like a squeegee, like a window cleaner squeegee effectively. So what you want to do is fold it into four, so you have these lines, and then use the lines as a squeegee to literally just squeegee off the glass cleaner. And then any little bit of excess, just very gently squeegee away. And that literally is it. Done. The things that will let you down is one, the glass cleaner, and two, the cloth. Once this cloth starts to get dirty, it will start to leave streaks, because the dirt and stuff on the cloth will end up on the glass, leaving streaks. So the cloth will really let you down. If you're wiping away and it's leaving streaks, forget it. The cloth is not going to perform. It's always going to leave streaks. Just put it away, grab another one, a clean one, a new one, and go again. This cloth here, obviously brand new out of the packet, as you've seen, I'll be able to do, 4 or 5 cars, or, your car 4 or 5 times, clean the glass before it starts to leave streaks. Then it will need washing, and then after washing, it will go again. After a few times, maybe 10 times of washing, it may start to leave streaks because the cloth is too old, therefore get another one, okay? So it is really simple for streak-free glass. Good quality glass cleaner. Yep, the bug sponge for agitation, a good clean quality glass cloth for the wipe, and there you go. You'll have no streaks. It really is that simple. There we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comments section. Definitely give this technique a try, because it will change your glass cleaning life. And I'll catch you in another video.